All right, you guys wanted an update on the Coyote swap Trans Am. Well, we got an update for you. Here it is.
Hey. Look at Juan, he's at home. Look at this. Traders. He's a trader and he loves it. He said it feels right at home.
Is this another animal? I'm telling you. This feels good like this.
You feel good?
When you pull the thing, it's like popcorn.
Alright, we're gonna get this on video. Oh, he already did it. Dang it.
With the dash, bro, that's gonna be tough.
Huh?
With the dash, that's gonna be tough.
It's gonna be tight.
Put a big Whipple supercharger on top of it.
The Whipple Plus turbo?
Whipple and a turbo?
If people put like multiple turbo
The wing hugs the body so much better on yours too than mine. Mine's like hanging off.
Mike Costick, man.
Yeah.
That dude does some really good work.
Yeah, yeah, it does. It's legit.
You ever seen one of these in person?
Hangman transmission?
Oh, in a tub and everything?
In a tub. Sitting in my garage.
Nice. So the last time we saw this car, it's definitely way different. So tell me the changes. That was right before you took it to chassis jail, so.
Yeah, right before I took the chassis jail about 8 months ago. And we said, we don't know how to weld. So you can't build a street car if you don't know how to weld.
Yeah.
So
I'm not sure if we can throw that name around now that I've seen the car. We can turn that term is a little loose in here.
maybe we should start calling it an outlaw street car.
Yeah, that fits a little
If we
better.
take a gander up here, you know, we're
Two
just
strut towers. We start with that.
yeah.
Okay, so we've got basically, is this the same frame front end that it had?
Yes, but we
Modified it a
added,
lot.
yeah,
Okay.
modified the strut towers.
Yeah.
We went with the Afterworks shocks,
Okay.
front and rear.
Okay. Yeah, I noticed that.
Yeah, we got mechanical fuel pump mocked up.
The motor's sitting in the same place it
Yeah,
was
motor's
before, right?
in the same place. It's got
Right.
a
We didn't move
mid
any
plate
of that. Right.
and then the front motor plate.
Right.
Little tabs.
I got my skills in.
Got the hot and cold side all done.
Yeah, I see that.
I'm out.
Yeah.
None of that was when we went to. I think the last time I saw the car was at Texas 2K.
Yeah.
You
Yeah,
guys had the turbo set in there,
Yes, with the Maven mount.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But we did, yeah. So
but
finally,
it didn't have any cold side, hot side, none of
Nothing,
that.
so we got that
Is this your fuel cell? We running fuel
Yeah.
cell up front.
it's a fuel cell. This is our oil filter, and then we got rid of that Fram that everybody was hating on. It was just for mock-up. Everybody's like, oh,
More comments.
Time-
Add the pink 2x4.
Time to get rid of the frame.
it was just for mock-up, man. It was $1. They were $2. So yeah, we got the Clearview now.
That's a unit in itself right
Yeah,
there. Clearview.
That's a bad.
That's a bad unit right
Everybody
there.
knows when you're driving your street car all day, you want to look at your fuel or your
Yeah.
oil, make sure there's no
Yeah.
metal in it.
Yeah. Yeah.
But yeah, it's gonna make plumbing, the turbo feed, the oil feed easy. Yeah, you can definitely see if you got metal. And we got the tile, waste gates.
Ooh, those are hefty. Are those 60?
Yeah, that's the big boy.
They look bigger to me for some reason. Mine are 60 in there. Those look a little heftier than mine, but
I don't remember. But
it's been a while.
Yeah, all stainless. The best part of those headers are for a 2014 Mustang turbo headers.
Oh, really?
They fit.
And they
no
clear
custom
good,
headers.
huh?
And then we had the.
I see they're already welded for EGT probes.
Well, we had those put into there. Chassis guy.
Yeah.
Did all that.
Yeah.
Blake.
You went with aluminum for the cold side, huh? And
Yeah.
for the hot side exit.
Hot
huh?
side's all stainless.
But the downpipe is what I meant.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Right.
Yeah, we just did that. We're gonna do something elaborate, but we're like, you know what, we'll just dump it for now.
Yeah.
And,
This is all gonna get polished, of course.
Yeah.
Dieters, shout out.
Shout out to Dieters.
Hopefully take care of me.
Let me know how much that bill was.
Right.
Because I've been eyeing that too. Massive turbo in the front. Same Coyote motor.
It's
a
all
fill.
filled.
Filled factory.
All filled internals.
I gotcha. Okay. Okay.
But,
This was the first Coyote motor in the 5s.
Right.
They had it in
Right.
their, or 60s, I'm sorry. They had it in their silver car. But that
Right.
car was a pro mod, so I don't know what it's going to do in a street car
Right.
body. But we'll have to see.
Okay.
And if we
But
lift this off, Matt, we have the.
other than that, a lot has changed on the body itself since the last time I saw it. Number one, it looks like it turned into a convertible.
Still T-top. She's still chubby.
Okay, still T-top.
It's what is that? A Ute in Australia? The trucks.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
We still got to work on it out there.
Different shocks in the back.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
You went with some bad boys all the way around, huh?
G's.
Okay.
After work.
Okay. Obviously, the doors have been changed out. We got fiberglass doors with the window kit on it.
All
Easy
made.
access, huh?
This is all
Removable?
Tim McManus stuff.
Okay.
Nice kit. These, fiberglass doors. You walk up, pull them up, good to go. I need to find the rockers.
Oh, rocker moldings, yeah.
And the rocker moldings and Trans Am.
Yeah, those
let
are
me
tough
know.
to find too.
I'll
Those
pay
are
for 'em.
tough to find too. Also converted the hatch to removable.
Yep. Removable.
This is VFN.
VFN with optic armor.
Optic armor. I see.
Little thing. I'll tell a secret. So anybody out there that's gonna run this, you need to get the oversized one because this is for the factory cut to fit. But you see this gap? I should have bought the oversized and that would have fit, but this ain't a SEMA car. So I said,
feel you.
I'm not buying a whole other one just for that.
I see what you mean on the difference now.
Yeah. But it's supposed to fit.
Because I had the same VFN fiberglass
Okay.
hatch, but I never put a glass on it because I didn't use it.
I'll save someone $600. So
Yeah.
get the
Yeah.
oversized,
There you
trim
go.
it yourself.
Oversized.
It's the same thing with the doors. You got to buy the oversized, but they don't tell you about the hatch. They say it's going to fit. It doesn't fit.
Well, it fits. It just doesn't fit
It's
properly.
got a little bit of a gap, but you got to
Fit a
fix
factory
that.
hatch, no problem. Drive
Yeah.
it.
But with the VFN, you got Tim McManus. Not Tim McManus. This is Mike Costick.
Mike Costick.
Carbon wing.
Yeah, this is the one thing I'm like really drooling over because
Came out
compared to my drag wing, this one is
It's
super
called
nice.
Next
Super
gen.
nice.
Yeah. It came out nice. So
I
I'm
just
excited.
couldn't afford it.
Tons of adjustment in there.
Yeah. Yeah, same pins I'm running. This is new though. I don't have these. I just made a couple small ones to the side. But the adjustability on this rear wing and how tall it is compared to mine is pretty dope. And then it looks cool, obviously.
All factory OEM, no aftermarket. All factory gonna be going back in brand new. You gotta have her looking pretty.
Those don't look too bad.
But they ain't perfect.
Okay.
I spent 6 hours polishing.
Carbon fiber sheeting back here or some sort of aluminum
Yeah, we got a
sheeting.
water tank, and then we're gonna mount probably the radiator, and then I'm gonna carbon all this in.
Oh, you're doing the radiator in the back? Radiator in the back.
I don't know yet. I'm gonna try to fit it in the front, but if we can't,
Rear mounted.
it'll go back.
I mean, you got a lot of real estate back here, so.
Yeah. So I'm gonna try to put it up front.
Mm-hmm.
If not, then it's gonna go back here.
Torque arm car.
Mm-hmm.
All factory location.
I see that.
So
Cool.
yeah, it's gonna be.
Looks good, bro. What's the next step? What are we looking at?
Wiring.
Wiring? Oh, that's gonna be a task.
I want
in
to hear
itself,
the car.
huh? Yeah.
That's what we want to hear it.
Yeah.
I've got all the panel built with the Holly, EFI, and all that.
Right.
Stuff on it.
Dominator.
Right.
And it on carbon and in it with those those little quick push pins.
Oh yeah.
It's already mounted, and so I just got to wire the whole car
Where you setting the panel at?
right here. I've already did it.
Oh, okay.
It's not in the. It's
It's gonna be in the. Yeah.
These little push pins right here. These little quick.
Oh, okay, yeah.
And then I have the carbon already here, but yeah, it goes right there.
Cool.
And then there's our battery cutoff.
Cool.
And I've got these.
So
Probably
just
first thing, honestly, is to clean the cobwebs out.
Yeah, clean
It
it
looks
out.
like a haunted car. Right?
yeah.
But anybody knows about chassis prison?
Yeah, that's the
it's
way
a
it
long
is.
stay.
Yeah.
But no, Blake,
Cool.
man, he took care of us, man. He did a great job. Everything looks top notch.
So are you gonna hop in it and make some turbo noises for the OGs?
I got a torn
Huh? Huh?
Not trying to hurt.
Next episode?
Next episode. So wiring, and then I guess all the little stuff after that, huh? Start putting it basically
We got the
together.
transmission in. The brakes are almost done. I gotta finish that. Wiring, shifter.
This is the tedious stuff that takes
Yeah.
forever. Yeah, it's just the tedious stuff.
But we've had 8 months of the car being gone, and so it's like it kind of rejuvenates your
Okay, that
battery,
makes
like,
sense. Yeah.
All right, let's do this. You know, so
Yeah, you're a
we
little
get
more
things
geared
here
up
at the
to
house
get
and-
stuff done.
Yeah,
It's just
Now you got a new place. You upgraded the place, huh?
we got
Yeah.
Maven motion.
Oh, there you go. There you go.
Still getting everything set up, but we do have AC in here, so
You are gonna
in
have to move
here,
your fridge though to
Gotta
get.
have a beer fridge.
Gonna have to move it to get it done though. Not
Yeah.
when it's sitting there a little. Go ahead.
Everybody thinks that like this car is the Bullet, and yada yada. Why did you switch it?
So good.
What color should I wrap it?
That's a good
Should we
question.
make it the same? Should I do like a satin black or like what wrap color?
Yeah, leave a
that's
comment
what
down below.
Yeah, I'm curious about color. What color?
Give us some color options.
Yeah.
Everyone does mistake this car for the
do.
Bullet. We
They
do
do.
get. I do get a lot of. Hey man, I thought you Coyote swapped that thing. No
Yeah.
man, that's not me, bro. that's my buddy Matt.
So I'm curious.
It's just because it's black.
Yeah.
But yeah,
Which, you know, there's a lot of them out there, but black looks awesome.
it sure does.
So I thought about maybe like a gloss satin wrap or something. I don't know, like a black, or maybe do like
Mm-hmm.
the two here, like a flat black on the nostrils and the rest like the satin. So
Mm-hmm.
anybody who has taste in that world, let me know. I'm looking for a dude in Houston to wrap it, so let me know.
Oh yeah, there you
Anybody out
go.
there in the
Yeah,
world?
leave a comment.
Yeah.
Leave a
I'm
comment.
always looking to.
All right, so we're gonna wrap it up here. If you want to see more of this car and the build process, we will come back and do videos. But what's your Instagrams, real quick?
It's really complicated. My name again.
My name again. And Rick, you're
Rick Perkins.
Rick Perkins. There you go. I'll put them. I'll link them both down here. But make sure you give them a follow on Instagram if you want to see more progress of this car. They are posting. I will come back and make a video once it gets updated a little bit more. But yeah, that's it for now. Any
Hold on.
last words, homie?
If we get over 100 comments, Juan's got to go down the water slide. I'm not heating the pool. It's gonna be cold.
100 comments, I'll do it. That's it. Oh, yeah, you ready to go? Did you see the race car?
What do you think? Is this a pretty
He said
car?
yeah. He said yeah. He's like, where's the street car? Oh, race car? Race car?